Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear the application cache for the Metamask application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. Now, if you open up the Metamask application, you will be asked to log in using your password. If you proceed forward and log into your account, you will be taken into your homepage where you will find your portfolio. Now, if you click on the gear icon at the bottom right corner and go into security and privacy, you will see various different options, including the option to clear your privacy data, your browser history and cookies, as well as your MetaMatrix data. However, there is no particular option to clear your cache, and it is not clear which amongst these options will clear your cache. So go ahead and locate the application for Metamask and long press on it. Then tap on the App Info button, which will take you into the application info page for Metamask. From here, tap on Force Stop in order to stop the application first, and then go ahead and tap on Storage. Now within the storage menu, you will see the Clear Cache button. Just click on this option, and now this will clear all of the application cache for the Metamask app right away. And you can now go back into using the Metamask application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to clear the cache within the Metamask application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.